I'm gonna be making a paper hat. Very simple. It's just my first how-to video. So, see, I got paper. Stupid piece of shit. Fold in half, like so. Doesn't have to be perfect because they're both gonna be messed up. You fold that in half. Like I said, it's gonna be messed up, so it doesn't need to be perfect. Unfold it, put it like this. Like this. And then like this. And then like sorry, I'm just having trouble because I'm using one hand. This is my left hand. It's my worst hand. Now I'm using my left hand. It's even harder. So I use my right hand. You fold this up and this up. Now this part got me a little confused when it got broken down to me. So let me do this. Put it like this. Right. And you go like this. And then you break that in half. Like so. So you get this. Well, like I said, it's only my first video of how to animate. Origami, so it's gonna be very simple. Then you fold this up, and you do the same to the other side. It's a little tricky with one hand, but you got these steps. You fold both sides, and then you break this in half. Perfect. You got a stupid looking thing. You can't blame me. Like I said, it was gonna be messed up. Now, it sometimes if you make it good enough and be careful, it will float in water. I'm the boss. 118 signing out.